Ja toch, sowieso. Check dan, je krijgt 101 bars. Is de derde keer dat we Boer Affiliates hier in de studio hebben. Ik heb Shabazz the Disciple, Beretta 9, Rocket Monk in the back. Je ziet het zelf en we gon' rock some shit, man. Hey!
Slew Boss, House of Hip Hop. Snoopy.
One ball, yo. Kinetic 9.
Snoopy.
Check. Yo, Plan B be the second one and three. The third one is Dapper, you will never catch me. When my cord in the streets is full press, trying to keep my eyes on my feet, some progress. I possess an ill ass flow all downstream. Though you headed up, shit creep my regime, my conquest. Defend mine like Artest, spitting over sick ass beats on possessed. B9 need a head shrink. DIP, a blunt and a stiff drink. No ice, please. Hoping that I don't croak, no one is near dope. Even if I go back, this be a throwback indeed. But if a nigga succeed, I'm like Remo, laced up on me fatigues, more like Rambo. Because a nigga can spit, don't mean I won't shoot. I squeeze off all of my dick. You salute is briefcase killer.
Briefcase killer. STD, nigga. Let's get that next one in, man. Dog Angels.
Beretta 9, Shabazz the Disciple. And we gonna do some crazy shit. 101 bars. Hey!
Yeah. Dog Angels, Wings Up, Red Hook Projects. You already know, stand up. Yeah. I close my eyes, I see visions of me in the heavens, surrounded by them angels, slain by my enemies' weapons. Believe me, from dying the hood tonight, I'm go out blasting. You feel the passion of the hood, Christ. My bandanas, my crown of thorns, my Timberlands, my holy sandals. Sign my obituary, then burn 7 holy candles. Before my ashes go on that urn on that fucking mantle, I'ma send your ass to the pearly gates with the pearly handle. Move with them yard disciples who be tatted up with scriptures. Niggas had to blasphemy with the rifle and never was religious. And if you happen to get the drop, you better put them through me. And close your eyes, cause my niggas are coming to send you to me. I hear them fashioning my cross to the streets with nails. I see them the street with veils. Hood Jesus, burn barrels now, stones of hell. Can't close my eyes yet. I can't die yet. My will to live is so strong. If I get hit in the head, I'm in ICU, in a coma, shaking the fucking bed, whatever. Behind the trigger or in front of the bullet. Never cross a nigga who ain't afraid to die and got the heart to pull it. So make sure you finish the job when you come and get me. And say your prayers, motherfucker, cause you coming with me.
Yeah. Wu-Tang Killer Bees.
Dog
In the
Angels,
building.
Wings Up, Raziel, Seraphim.
Yeah, just came in Amsterdam.
Yeah, we just got here.
Yeah, already got weeded up or what?
Yeah, jet lag in the weed high. I stay high, all the motherfucking T-Zime. Rugged Monk, all got them D-Zimes. Holla, holla, holla. Yo, weed smoke, crack smoke. Yo, sherm smoke. Got that cocaine. Got that meth to numb the brain.
House of Hip Hop, boy.
Bars, 101 bars. Rugged Monk, oh, yeah. I gotta have it. Yo, I'm gonna grab it. Put me on the last one. Put it 8 bars at the end of that beat, so I can get close back to that beat.
Yo, fresh page, paper Nate, another joint, no date. Y'all MCs, no darks, no wait, no escape. The rap, genuine drab, Beretta's time to splash. And Hurricane Joe, grab a rap lightsaber. Return of the Jedi, Luke vs. Vader. Crush you with the force, of course, you can't score. First platoon, Legion and Doom, kids, your aunt war. These darks like scuds, oh son, your aunt war. Black Rambo, thoughts like the power of Ginkgo. My slugs move fast to the speed of the tempo. Think quick, don't be the one to get licked. Shit is real, kid. You don't get to practice the script. Keep your eyes peeled, guns concealed, your lips sealed. By the way, gat on your shield. Shit be on out in the world. Song fair, love and war. But be sure you keep this in store. As a yo, for this game I had a thing. Yo, check it. For this game, yo. For this game I had a flair since a young adolescent, rockin' military kid. To this day, I be dressing and equipped without the boots. Canteen and my weapon and my favorite color green. Get that dough and keep it steppin', yes you know this what I mean. Slush fire, watch a shrapnel, built like a marine. Recognize to be your admiral, I'm not talking about Robinson like Bones. I be dropping in a very high rate. And my squad ain't no stopping, I'm like nigga what you think. Puts a tank on your boulevard, very a tree by war. Body tapped and the bullet scarred. I acquired them on tour. Yeah.
Yeah. Black Knights.
Black.
Kinetic 9. Shabazz Disciple.
STD.
STD 101 bars. House of Hip Hop. Yo, Rugged Monk always got that Glock that go pop, 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 pop. Word on the street, Black Knights was washed up. Cause Doc died, crisis tweaked, then I got locked up. Then I hop up, oh, back on the scene. Them same faggots front like they was speaking on my team. Yeah, what it do, West Coast, stand up, yo. I smoke weed all day, parlay with the niggas from around my way. That's how it's done in Compton, California, yeah. West Coast Killer B, rockin' symphony, I'm making history. Bitches flock me like it was a sale at Tiffany's. I stay ripping these tracks up, back to back, my niggas stack up. Hit after hit, make the whole globe act up like daiquiris. Cause I'm stacking cheese with my faculty. Straight to the hoop with all these other rappers hacking me, still score two on they whole crew. Cause Killer Bees is what I'm sworn to. Ruling through the culture that I'm born through. Islam, recite from Qurans, I set pipe bombs like Shaitan. Trying to turn hip-hop into some sitcom. Ain't no rap attack, a master raps that'll collapse your pack. When it's time for war, I move like Lionel in the Thundercats. Yeah, ho, when I push through your blocks of avenue. Black Knights, you know my stilo, you know how we do. Off cold brew and Philly blunts, we smack rookie runs that try to live it up. You can't rap, it's time to give it up, silly fuck. You know why? Let me tell you one thing, yo. Hey, yo, I'm cold-blooded, the type to like to get high in public. Rugged Monks the shit when I spit it, niggas love it. Can't get enough of these rough rhymes or these raw beats. Break the best rap ass down like a stall Jeep. I keep flows for all you so-called rap pros, you whack bo. Niggas is the ones I bought the gats for, asshole. What should I give you a pass for? First you was tough, now you don't want no hassle. See, big guns make big niggas turn bashful. Whip out heat, they turn anything you ask for. Everything from diamond rings to cash flow. Hand your shit over gradual, I slide out casual. I mash for cream and respect. I mean with a tech, West Coast style, take you off your set. Cause now you niggas fucking with vets. The nights are nothing.
Yo, Kinetic, yo, I don't usually do tracks like this, but now that I try to, yo, I like this shit. My outfit nice, my wordplay nice, my drink getting low, I need some more and some ice. Disco flow, this is what it's gonna be. I'ma give it one go, I'ma ride this beat, make the crowd say ho. That's right, now we getting it. Live in 08 with your boy K kicking it.
Yo, what up, K9? Hey, yo, Monk slow flows the best, my slow flows the best. If you wanna battle MCs, come and test. The Black Knights know better yet. The Rugged Monk, the Killer Bee gang can't be touched, nigga. What the fuck? Did you think we was sleeping? Maybe you was tripping off that bullshit. Yeah, that bullshit you be speaking. My written is so homicidal, it's forbidden. You speaking a lifestyle, you know you ain't living. So let's nip it in the bud. You can't fuck with the Rugged Monk, not even Crisis or Kinetic. Serve me, nigga, dead it. Ask the Jizza or the RZA. I'm known as a real nigga. Ask the homies from the hood. I'm real hood, a good nigga. Compton, California, homie, you know where I come from. Act dumb, catch a hot one, gon' play in the slums. Won't beef you? Oh, find me up in area, cause every night's a Black Night, that's why I break barriers. I just fumble cause I had cotton mouth. Don't give a fuck, niggas know I'm from the Compton of the South. Side of things, don't give a fuck. I bring the party into life. Don't give a fuck, I'm Trife. Ask Trife the guard. Ask Ghostface in Theodore Unit. I roll with B.I.B.O.B.B.Y.D.I.G.I.T.A.L. That's Bobby D.I.G.I.L. Don't give a fuck, hell yeah, I still sell that good shit. Don't give a fuck, I'm still hood with that motherfucking Swift thing. Oh, yo, hey, yo, one more time, yo. Black Knights, after them, there will be no other like it. I predicted like a psychic. My 4-5's my sidekick, my girlfriend. Think it's time to wife it. She's faithful, always there when I'm in a crisis. I finger fuck her daily, love it when she come. That's the shit. Watch how these buster niggas run. Wanna hear a bark? Watch them all apart like the Red Sea. Get a part through your scalp like braids from my queen bee. My team moves supremely. Squeaky queen like squeegee. Heavyweight, sumo, Mount Fiji. I write documents of a document scripts. Watch the whole world go crazy. Soon as I drop my shit, Black Knights ready to hold on.
Rugged Monk.
101 bars.
That was
Shabazz Disciple, 101 bars, House of Hip Hop, nigga.
Yeah, man. Peace out naar House of Hip Hop. Je weet hoe we het doen. 101 bars, Wu-Tang Killer Bees.
101 bars, you heard him. Said that right?
Yeah, man.
101 bars.